Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the class 5 mathematics chapter number 1, which is numbers, and it is from the book Math Carnival, and we are going to study its unit 3, which is international number system up to 9 digits. Let's start with the learning outcome of this unit. Means at the end of this unit you will be able to read and write numbers in international number system. Now let's discuss the international number system in detail. The international number system is followed by most of the countries of the world. In this system, a number is split up or divided into groups or periods. In the international number system or the international system of numeration, we use places as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, millions and billions. Let's start discussing the international place value chart. Now on your screen you can see the international place value chart. In this chart we are having periods, places, digits and place values. There are 3 periods are written in this place value chart: ones period, thousands period and millions period. Each period is consisting of different places. In ones period we are having 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands period we are having 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 places. And in millions period we are having millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now let's discuss the digit. In ones period we are having 1, 2 and 3 digits. Means ones period is consisting of 3 digits till 100. Thousand periods is consisting of 4, 5 and 6 digit, means 100 thousands. And millions period is consisting of 7, 8 and 9 digit till hundreds million. We write number in international system using commas. Means we will put comma after ones periods, means after 3 digit, then thousand periods again 3 digit and the millions period if we are having the billions period of the billion digits is given in the question. In order to read the number in international number system we will use the period. Means first we read the number in millions period, then thousands period and then ones period. Now we are going to learn how to read and write number in international system. An example is given. Look at the number. A 9-digit number is given there. So how to write this 9-digit number in international system of numeration? So first of all we have to look at the periods. Ones period, then we are having the thousands period and then we are having the millions period. So in order to write the number in international number system we'll put comma after ones period, means after 3 digit, then after thousand period, then again 3 digit and the last period is millions period. Now look at the answers. So the standard form of this number could be written in this way. Here we have put the comma after ones period, then thousands period and the last period is the millions period. How can we write the standard form or the number in words? So the number name or the name of this number is 182,345,678. Let's take another example. Here the number is already written in the international system by putting commas after ones period and thousand period, means after every 3 digit. It is representing the international system of numeration, and in this example we have to write this number in words, means we have to write the number name. So the number name of this number is 367,709,125. One more example. In this example, number name or the number in words is written, and we have to write the standard form of the number. So the number is 24,345,567. So the standard form of this number is this. Here we have put the comma after ones period, then thousands period. A short test for you. Can you find answer? Here an 8-digit number is written. You have to do two things here. First, you have to write this number in international number system by putting commas after each period, and then you have to write the name of this number. Good luck and thank you.